Guys, so that's the BMW G310 and the GS310. The engines are pretty much the same, but what happens is, like, the bikes are really good, but the price is somewhere around. A lot of people are comparing it with the Ninja. But that being said, this bike just sits flat on the road. I couldn't really send a video while uploading, like while getting it, but I thought I'd just show you guys around and show you what the first look of the G310 and the GS look like. If you want to hear the sound, let me show you now. Guys, so that's pretty much what the BMW bikes look like, the ones, the 310 series. They are really well balanced, powered. I love the bikes, absolutely loved it. It's a beautiful approach that the BMW bikes have, so I hope you like that short, super short video, and I thought I could show you guys around.